as well. If you notice, therefore, speaking of stepping up to the plate, madami pong nagbago when COVID-19 happened. And this is applicable to all industries. Can I highlight, for many buyers and customers in your respective teams, it is no longer about the reputation of the product or kung gaano kaganda ang produkto. A lot of customers today are so demanding, they're looking for the experience and the process. Paano ako nag-apply, paano ako kinausap, and more importantly, paano ang after-sales ng kumpanyang ito. Can you relate with that? Nung nililigawan si customer, kulang na lang lumuhod. Pero nung bumili na si customer, iniwanan na siya. The after-sales, right, is taken away. So for example, number one, we know this. Speed of response, according to research, is one of the most important key drivers for purchase intent. Yes? Speed of response meaning, sana kapag may in-inquire ako sa Facebook or sa Viber, sagot agad. Because we all know this. If after 1 hour or 2 hours, wala ka pa ring sagot, anong gagawin ni customer? They're gonna move. Especially kung iniisip nila na magkakapareho lang naman kayo ng competitors nyo. Pareho ng presyo. Hindi nagkakalayo sa after sales. So, I'm gonna go to that person who will respond immediately.